When it comes to the exhilarating world of automobiles, one vehicle stands out prominently in my heart: the Ford Mustang. The sleek curves, powerful engine, and timeless design of this iconic American muscle car have captivated my imagination since my early years. As I reflect on the experiences and memories associated with my favorite car, I am compelled to share the journey of admiration and fascination that has accompanied my relationship with the Ford Mustang. Growing up, my fascination with cars began with the frequent visits to my grandfather's garage. He was an avid car enthusiast, and his collection of vintage automobiles sparked my interest in the world of cars. Among his prized possessions, the Ford Mustang stood out like a gem, gleaming with the promise of adventure and speed. As a child, I would spend hours sitting in the driver's seat, pretending to navigate the open roads and feeling the raw power beneath the hood. As the years passed, my admiration for the Mustang evolved from a childhood fantasy to a deep appreciation for its engineering marvels. The distinctive roar of the engine, the precision of the handling, and the attention to detail in its design became the focal points of my automotive passion. Each visit to my grandfather's garage became a learning experience, as he patiently explained the intricacies of the Mustang's mechanics and shared anecdotes of his own adventures behind the wheel. The history of the Ford Mustang is as rich and diverse as the car itself. Introduced in 1964, the Mustang quickly became a cultural icon, symbolizing freedom, speed, and the spirit of the open road. Its innovative design, characterized by the long hood and short rear deck, set it apart from other cars of its time. The Mustang's popularity soared, and it soon became synonymous with the term pony car, a category of American muscle cars defined by their compact size, sporty appearance, and powerful engines. One of the defining features of the Mustang is its distinctive logo, a galloping horse, embodying the untamed spirit that the car represents. The logo, often referred to as the Mustang pony, has become synonymous with performance and style, a symbol that transcends the boundaries of automotive culture and resonates with enthusiasts worldwide. As I delved into the history of the Mustang, I couldn't help but feel a sense of connection to a legacy that spans generations. The evolution of the Ford Mustang over the decades is a testament to the car's adaptability and enduring appeal. From the classic models of the 1960s to the modern iterations that embrace cutting-edge technology, the Mustang has remained true to its roots while embracing innovation. The introduction of features such as electronic stability control, advanced safety systems, and high-performance engines has elevated the Mustang to a new level of sophistication, catering to the diverse needs and preferences of contemporary drivers. One of the defining moments in the Mustang's history occurred in 2005 with the launch of the fifth generation. This marked a significant departure from the previous design, adopting a more retro-inspired look that paid homage to the classic models of the 1960s. The return to a muscular, sculpted exterior and a powerful V8 engine revived the spirit of the original Mustang, garnering praise from enthusiasts and critics alike. This redesign not only reinvigorated the Mustang brand but also solidified its status as a timeless icon in the automotive world. My personal connection to the Ford Mustang deepened when I had the opportunity to test drive a sixth-generation model. The sleek lines, aggressive stance, and the roar of the engine as I accelerated down the open road left an indelible impression on my senses. The thrill of driving a Mustang went beyond the physical experience. It was a visceral connection to the legacy of a car that has left an indelible mark on automotive history. The interior of the Mustang is a testament to the marriage of comfort and performance. The driver-centric cockpit, adorned with premium materials and modern amenities, creates an immersive driving experience. As I settled into the plush seats and gripped the leather-wrapped steering wheel, I felt a sense of command and control that is synonymous with the Mustang driving experience. The intuitive infotainment system, advanced safety features, and customizable driving modes further enhance the overall appeal of the Mustang, catering to the demands of a discerning and diverse audience. The allure of the Mustang extends beyond its performance on the road. The vibrant community of Mustang enthusiasts, often referred to as the Mustang family, is a testament to the camaraderie and shared passion that the car inspires. Car shows, rallies, and online forums bring together individuals from different walks of life, united by their love for the Mustang. The exchange of stories, tips, and modifications creates a sense of community that transcends geographical boundaries, reinforcing the notion that the Mustang is not just a car but a lifestyle. The customization options available for the Mustang are a playground for enthusiasts seeking to personalize their rides. From unique paint colors to performance-enhancing modifications, the Mustang offers a canvas for self-expression. The aftermarket industry dedicated to Mustang accessories and upgrades is a testament to the car's popularity and the creative spirit of its owners. As I explored the myriad possibilities for customization, I realized that owning a Mustang is not just about driving a car, it's about curating a unique and personal automotive masterpiece. While the Ford Mustang has garnered acclaim for its performance on the streets, its presence in popular culture has further solidified its status as an iconic symbol. From blockbuster movies to music videos, the Mustang has graced screens both big and small, leaving an indelible mark on the collective consciousness. The car's appearance in films like Bullitt and Gone in 60 Seconds has become legendary, with iconic chase scenes immortalizing the Mustang as a cinematic legend. The Ford Mustang's impact on the automotive industry extends beyond its status as a cultural icon. The success of the Mustang has influenced the development of other sports cars and muscle cars, shaping the trajectory of automotive design and performance. The competitive spirit instilled by the Mustang has driven innovation and pushed boundaries, resulting in a landscape where performance and style are paramount. As I explored the broader implications of the Mustang's influence, I gained a deeper appreciation for its role in shaping the automotive world. As with any love affair, my journey with the Ford Mustang has not been without its challenges. The cost of ownership, fuel efficiency concerns, and the practicality of a sports car in everyday life are factors that I grapple with as a prospective owner. However, the emotional connection and the sheer joy that the Mustang promises outweigh these considerations. The decision to own a Mustang goes beyond practicality, it is a commitment to a lifestyle, a declaration of passion for the open road and the thrill of the drive. In conclusion, the Ford Mustang holds a special place in my heart as my favorite car. From its inception in the 1960s to its modern-day iterations, the Mustang has embodied the spirit of freedom, power, and innovation. My journey of admiration and fascination with the Mustang has been a continuous exploration of its history, design, performance, and cultural impact. The allure of the open road, the rumble of the engine, and the sense of belonging to a community of enthusiasts make the Ford Mustang more than just a car, it is an experience, a lifestyle, and a testament to the enduring legacy of an automotive icon. As I dream of one day owning a Mustang of my own, I carry with me the memories of hours spent in my grandfather's garage, the exhilaration of a test drive, and the knowledge that the Ford Mustang will always be more than just a car, it is a symbol of passion, freedom, and the pure joy of driving.